me again, Eric. Welcome back to EP's Upstate Adventures. So today, it's going to be a 2-3 day video worth. So the first part of the video is going to be Rabbit Derby. We didn't really get nothing. It's just how it goes because we had a big storm the day before and they were out all night feeding. But I'll show you a couple video clips of what I got. Sorry about the view. I didn't know the camera was zoomed in until I was editing. You'll see that in the video, but let's get at it.
Oh, here's location number one. We've started the rabbit hunt on the second part of land that we're on. We're on state land, going through all this, hopefully get a rabbit. I'm going where my dad was last time. Same spot, but sorry about the snow and water. It's powder. Let's go. Ooh, nice rabbit tracks. Sorry about the water. Ooh, nice, lovely rabbit tracks. I'll follow that track. So, there's 4 or 5 other guys. So much snow. Hey, dust feather. Sorry, it's my best. But, like, seriously, like, come on, please, rabbit. I need a rabbit. We're approaching on the, sorry, you guys are soaking wet from the snow. Approaching on the power lines. We're about 10-15 feet. That's a big maple. But, yeah. Didn't see many rabbit tracks other than what's beginning, but that stuff was thick. Yeah. Now I know where my dad came out, but yeah, whatever. So, he's not with us today. He's got other stuff he's got to do. I wish he was here. Oh, stinking bunny tracks. Come on, man. Nothing. And I can't go much more because the road's like right there. So I came out originally up here, but I walked this way through this shit, trying to find it and trying to find something, but nothing. So we're gonna see. We're gonna duck in behind these trees. So we've changed properties like 7-8 times. Nothing much has come out at all. I'm just sitting on a nice ridge, hilltop. Had a guy in this big bunch of brush here pushing it. Hopefully something kicks out. We don't think anything's gonna come out, and it's like 1 p.m. So other than that, see you in a bit. Nothing in here. Oh, same spot as last time. Guys pushed through. We're losing hope. We're not seeing much today.
Okay, we didn't really get much at all. Didn't see anything. Hardly any tracks. I went home, got changed. I'm heading heading to where they are doing the check-in for the rabbits. Possibly could win some door prizes, but this video is going to be a two-part video because I got some stuff planned for tomorrow with some friends. I'm going to try to incorporate with this video because I really didn't get much footage for today. So I'm going to try to make it out and hit up some other places and get some stuff going. So after all our fun adventures, I've decided to bring my friend along, Cody. He's a good friend from high school. We're gonna have some fun. You may be on the channel more than a little bit, but today we're at a store. We're gonna get some stuff for our next video. Oh, maybe the next video, but it's probably not, but it's gonna be one of the videos that are coming. So, you ready?
Yep.
Let's get at it. Not seeing any more of the traps. I got one of the footholds I want. Footholds and Hello guys. So we got a little video of what was in the store. We got one or two traps, you'd say. We went to a different store and impulse buy bought a pellet gun for trapping. We'll show you some video of that. We got the scope on. We're figuring out where it's hitting, so we got to sight it in now. So, ready? Let's get at it. So, if you can't see, there's a box way down there. Let me show you. Box is right there, that box. That's what we're shooting at. So, if we can zoom in, you guys can't see it, but there is two marks on the left-hand side of that box that were found. How many pumps did you put in it?
This one?
Yeah.
So far.
Okay. Do 3 more. Careful where you point that. We're at our testing facility that majority of my videos will be done. So hopefully in about 2 weeks we'll do some trapping videos if I can get some more traps. But until then, let's figure some stuff out. No. Yes, there's a fucking other one. To put a water bottle down there and see if we can hit it, even though it's not sighted in yet.
I just put it in the general area where we've been hitting.
I think I hit the bottle. Or it's like, about that. Well, let's go. Zoom me out. Let's go up and look. So, I don't even know where that was. I think I just put triple the... We hit it earlier. But, I don't know. I'll have to look again. But, it means we're getting closer. Kinda. It's accurate without the scope. Probably isn't nothing to do with me or the scope, but probably more or less me. But I'll set you back up. View you in. And let's see how it is. Because we're bowling after this, so.
Not this one, but different one. I have no clue.
Want me to walk down there too?
Do one more. I think I'm hitting something different. I'm definitely. That was left of the number 2. Rick Oak is not accurate at all.
There. If I put the water bottle right near there. Even a little lower, you'll probably hit it.
So, if you can't hear me, sorry, but the pellet gun is not sighted in. We couldn't get it in because I got to figure out the scope a little bit more. But so we're here bowling now. So we're having fun, having a great time with automatic bowling. Show you a clip. So far, we're going so good, and I'm winning so far. Last frame. You a dink. Come on, Cody. One more. Can you break 200? And that counts as a strike because we're playing 9-pin no tap. So there's the score. The top one's me, the bottom one's Cody. We've been also playing 9 games straight, so we're getting a little tired. So far we've both got strikes.
What do you say about that, sir?
I'm waiting on my new shoes.
Miss.
Yeah.
What do you say about that?
No, it's your turn. Let's go. Better not get a strike, man. Hey, I hope you get a gutter. That ain't going to be gutter. So, how many strikes have a guy gotten in a row? Careful, it's YouTube. So we've gotten a few strikes. My score hasn't counted up yet, so he cleared it.
You're gonna have to keep that out.
Try. Hard to do stuff up. Okay, I'm pretty good, right? There's the turkey. Film that fucker. Film that. Let's go. Yeah. Come on, Cody. What do you gotta say for yourself? That I'm at 100 and I'm at like 110 on my 6th frame. Man, this man is a good man. He's a good friend of mine. I'd say best friend.
Yeah. So here's Eric's stats right now, as you can see.
That's for this round. Ow. So we'll go up like this and you can see Cody's round. Cody's doing good because it's his first time on a new lane.
Yep. I'm gonna hand this over to you. It's my turn.
Can't play too much of the music. Wish we had the GoPro. We're just filming on an iPhone. Okay, so 9-pin no tap means what he just got is a strike. So when he bowls and there's one pin that's left and it hasn't been touched by any other pins, it counts as a strike. But if it gets touched, it counts as 9. We do play normal bowling. So we're on the last frame. Here, let me get back to here. Give it a few minutes. So that's what we're ending out with right now. Holy cow, you're at 140. Who do you think's gonna win, Cody?
Me.
No.
I already won 7. How many of them?
I don't know.
You lost count.
Okay, not me so far. You know what? I'm using the wrong ball. Let's get back to this one. My personal ball. And I'm done. Cody has won. Sorry about the hand. Cody's winning.
Viewers, shall I destroy him or shall I crush him?
Let me finish yours. Or that split. What happened to the strike?
Zip it over there. I still won.
Well, he won barely. Let's just say barely. So, that's what we ended out with.
Hey Eric, I have one question for you. Have you ever had a school pet? Like a class pet? From
No.
school? Or high school?
No. Why?
What was it?
It was a turtle. Bring that to you, being that I grew up in the outdoors. So I want to show you what I know, plus the beauty of nature. So with today's video, it's not going to be the same day that this is filmed as the other part of my video filmed, because I filmed it last week, didn't get to explain all of everything I was doing, but that video is about going out and doing a rabbit derby with some friends, family. Hey guys, it's me during editing, so I didn't make a outro for you guys, I'm sorry, but hope you liked today's video. Tons of things: bowling, trapping, pellet guns, getting traps, you name it. But as you can tell, I'm already starting to make the next video. Hopefully you'll like it. Hopefully it's a good one. But so without further ado, thank you for subscribing. Hopefully thank you, and find the next adventure. Peace.